Welcome back to Easy Driver. Here in part 2 of our comprehensive guide on car scratch repairs, we are providing you with more information on repairing the scratches on your vehicle to bring it back to its original state of beauty. From professional techniques to preventive measures, we've got you covered on all aspects of maintaining a scratch-free ride. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and let's jump right in to discover how to master the art of car scratch prevention and repair. Polishing and buffing techniques. After the touch-up paint has dried, it's time to polish and buff the repaired area. This step will help blend the new paint with the existing paintwork, giving your car a flawless finish. Start by applying a small amount of polishing compound to a clean, soft cloth. Gently rub the compound onto the repaired area using circular motions. This will help remove any imperfections and bring out the shine of the paint. Continue buffing until the repaired area matches the surrounding paintwork. Once you're satisfied with the results, take a clean cloth and remove any excess polish or residue. Stand back and admire your handiwork. Your patience and attention to detail is paying off. But keep working. Your job is not done yet. Take your time and follow the steps outlined to achieve the professional-looking results you are looking for. However, keep in mind that more severe scratches or extensive damage may require professional assistance. But by doing things yourself, you not only save money but also gain the satisfaction of restoring your car's appearance by your own efforts. So, roll up your sleeves and give your car the TLC it needs because of the scratches. When it comes to car scratch repairs, it's crucial to seek expert assistance to ensure a high-quality and long-lasting result. While some minor scratches can be fixed with DIY methods, it's advisable to leave the more significant repairs to the professionals. Let's go cover 3 common approaches used by professionals for car scratch repairs: paintless dent repair, repainting, and bodywork. Seeking expert assistance. Professional car scratch repair technicians possess the knowledge, skills, and specialized tools necessary to effectively restore your vehicle's appearance. By relying on their expertise, you can avoid potential mistakes that may worsen the damage or even cause additional issues. Additionally, professional repair services often come with warranties. Paintless dent repair. A technique commonly used for repairing minor dents and scratches is paintless dent repairs. This method involves manipulating the damaged area from behind the panel, gently massaging it back into its original shape without the need for repainting. PDR is most effective for shallow scratches, where the paint layer is still intact. It is a cost-effective and time-efficient solution that can restore your vehicle's appearance with minimal hassle. Repainting. In cases where the scratch is deeper or where the paint layer has been compromised, repainting becomes necessary. This involves sanding down the affected area, applying primer, base coat, and clear coat to match the original color and finish of your vehicle. Professional technicians have the skills to seamlessly blend the new paint with the surrounding surface areas, ensuring a flawless finish. Repainting can effectively repair more extensive scratches, ensuring your car looks as good as new. Bodywork. For severe scratches that have caused significant damage to the body of your vehicle, bodywork may be required. This involves reshaping or replacing damaged panels, using specialized tools and techniques to restore the structural integrity of your car. The process may include welding, filling, sanding, and painting to ensure a seamless and durable repair. Professional bodywork can effectively repair deep scratches and restore your vehicle's overall appearance. By entrusting your car scratch repairs to professionals, you can expect that the damage will be addressed with precision and expertise. Whether it is through the use of paintless dent repair, repainting, or bodywork, these professionals have the necessary skills and tools to restore your vehicle's appearance to its former glory. So, the next time you notice a scratch on your car, consider seeking expert assistance to achieve the best results. Preventing future car scratches. Car scratches can be a frustrating and unsightly issue that many car owners have to deal with. Not only do they affect the overall appearance of your vehicle, but they can also decrease its resale value. Fortunately, there are steps you can take to prevent future car scratches and keep your vehicle looking its best. In this part of the video, we will discuss two key aspects of preventing car scratches. These are regular car maintenance and protective measures. Regular car maintenance. One of the most effective ways to prevent car scratches is by maintaining a regular car maintenance routine. By taking a proactive approach, you can minimize the risk of your vehicle getting scratched. Here are a few maintenance practices to consider. 1. Washing your car regularly. Regularly washing your car helps remove dirt, debris, and other substances that can scratch the paint. Be sure to use a mild car wash soap, a soft sponge or microfiber cloth, and rinse thoroughly. Avoid using abrasive materials that could scratch the surface. 2. Applying wax. Applying a layer of wax to your car's exterior can provide an extra protective barrier against scratches. Wax not only enhances the shine but also helps prevent dirt and debris from adhering to the surface, reducing the likelihood of scratches. 3. Parking in safe areas. When parking your car, choose safe and secure areas whenever possible. Avoid parking close to shopping carts, trees, or areas with heavy foot traffic that could increase the risk of accidental scratches. Protective measures. In addition to regular maintenance, implementing protective measures can further safeguard your car against scratches. Consider the following precautions. 1. Investing in clear bra, paint protection film. A paint protection film is also known as the clear bra. This is a transparent film that is known to be a self-healing film. This can be applied to areas of your car that are easily scratchable. Such places include the front bumper, hood, and side mirrors. This film acts as a shield against scratches, minor abrasions, and even small rocks, keeping your car's paint intact. 2. Using car covers. If you park your car outdoors for extended periods of time, using a car cover can provide an extra layer of protection against scratches caused by environmental factors, such as falling branches or bird droppings. Choose a cover that is designed to fit your car properly and is made of a breathable material to prevent moisture buildup. 3. Avoiding harsh chemicals. When cleaning your car's interior, be cautious about the cleaning products you use. Some chemicals can damage the surfaces and cause scratches. Choose gentle, non-abrasive cleaners specifically formulated for car interiors to minimize the risk of accidental scratches. By incorporating regular car maintenance practices and applying protective measures, you can significantly reduce the chances of your car getting scratched. Remember, prevention is key when it comes to maintaining the pristine appearance of your vehicle. Stay proactive, take care of your car, and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with a scratch-free ride. So as we see, car scratch repairs are a necessary and effective solution to restore the appearance and value of your vehicle. Whether you have a minor scratch or a deep gouge, taking prompt action to address the issue can prevent further damage and potential corrosion. By entrusting your car to a professional repair service, you can ensure that the scratches are skillfully and meticulously repaired, using advanced techniques and high-quality materials. Remember, a well-maintained exterior not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of your car but also extends its life. So don't let those unsightly scratches diminish the beauty of your vehicle. Schedule a car scratch repair service today. Thank you for joining us in this in-depth exploration of car scratch repairs and prevention. We hope you've gained valuable insights and techniques to keep your vehicle looking its best. Remember, a little care goes a long way in preserving your car's beauty and value. If you found this information helpful, don't hesitate to give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more automotive tips, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, keep driving with pride and protect your ride from those pesky scratches. Thank you for watching.